Hello everyone. Nemo is a 6-year-old clownfish who lives alone with his father, who is extremely protective of him. He dreams of seeing all the adventures of the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, where he lives. Although born with one smaller, weaker fin, he lets nothing stop him in life. His determined attitude does not always work in his favor. To prove his bravery, he swims beyond the barrier reef drop-off, where he is captured by a scuba diver and taken to live in a fish tank. It isn't until he is captured that he realizes and appreciates how overprotective his father was. Learning the real meaning of bravery in relation to being cautious and protective as his father was to him. Keeping a longer story short, Nemo now spends his days happily with his father Marlin and their friend Dory. Their home is a sea anemone at the reef, where Nemo now has a different outlook and respect for life. Please see my About section on my channel page to get an understanding of how I create my drawings. Now I will show you the phases of coloring my final picture. It consists of using the Microsoft Paint 3D program, utilizing the pixel pen, paintbrush, fill area can, marker, and the spray can. Here we see a real clownfish like Nemo, living in a sea anemone, much like Nemo did.